Hello guys, about you? Welcome to channel Gadget Pro. Alright, so the Google Pixel just dropped and honestly it might be the phone of 2025. If you are confused about whether to buy it or stick with your current phone, don't worry, I will break it down and don't skip this video till then. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. The Pixel 10 looks sleek with similar bezels and slightly curved edges that feels premium with a bring slippery. It's lighter than iPhone 16 Pro and the new matte glass finish. Miss Beaumont and fingerprints that's already been for every reviewers. This is where Google fixes hard. The Pixel 10 picks the new Tensor G5 chip built for on-device AI. Translation: you get smarter photo edits, instant voice to text, and even AI-generated study notes. For you are a student drawing in assignments. Compared to Samsung Galaxy S25, Google's AI feels wide, natural, and less clunky. Pixel camera have always been a light. The Pixel 10 takes it up a notch. We are telling a 50MP main sensor with instant low light shoots and a new AI video boost that makes your TikTok and Reels to look today honestly. It still beats iPhone when it comes to night photography. That's Google's crown. Google's claim 35 hours on a single charge, and with their new fast charger, you can get around 50% juice in just 20 minutes. Compared to last year Pixel 9, this is a high upgrade, and it usually keeps up with Samsung's last flagship. And here's the kicker: Google keep it pretty student friendly. Starting at $799, it's cheaper than both iPhone 16 and Galaxy S25. Well, still giving you top tier performance if you are on a budget, but want a phone that feels premium. This is our sweet spot. So design Google AI, your upgrade camera, battery that actually lasts, and price that won't break your wallet. That's the Pixel 10 in the nutshell. Now the real question: would you go for the Pixel 10 or stick with the iPhone or Galaxy? Drop your picks in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and if you want gadget rules update to subscribe and a bell icon for more gadget videos.